Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And today is the last part of my Make Market Christmas series video unboxing. I have these three kits left, and surprisingly they're all in red shades, Christmas colors, right? So let's open each of them and see how the kit looks inside and if it contains any AB drills or not. And I would like to start with this gnome kit. To tell the truth, it is not really the kind of designs that I diamond paint, but when I saw the original artwork, I really liked it because technically I was wrong. It was not an original artwork. That was a completed kit, but the rendering was so detailed. The texture of a knitted hat was so precise that I really wanted to diamond paint this kit, right? Like, how is it possible to transfer the knitting effect through the diamond painting? It's almost impossible. Yet, Make Market managed to do it. So let's open and see how it looks inside and if it has any special drills or ABs or crystals. Actually, I already unboxed it for my Russian-speaking channel. I was having live, and during this live I was unboxing all the Christmas kits, and this is the gnome kit. So 3 gnomes. The Christmas tree is at the background. Let's turn on the flash for you to see it more detailed. So the specifications are the same, 40 by 50 centimeters each kit. This particular kit has round drills. The canvas is fabric based, very similar to Diamond Dots one, polyester. It contains 46 colors, and as you can see, the symbol printing is pretty clear. Mostly letters and numbers, but also some other symbols like plus sign, dot sign, rectangle, etc. So very easily recognizable, and they are the same on all the kits. So that's how the rendering looks, and even through the rendering I can feel that knitted texture, right, of the hat. Amazing how they managed to hand chart that kit. As to the drill, so there are 46 colors. So let's see if it contains any ABs. Actually, this year there are way more designs than last year, but at the same time less kits contain AB drills. So as we can see, white color is not AB. This is a Christmas kit, so I think it would benefit from white ABs. I will definitely replace regular acrylic drills with white ABs from Diamond Dots, and even if I put them on the beard of the gnomes, it will still look natural because the gnomes are magic creatures, and sparkly beard will look pretty good, I think. I don't think I will mess it up with white ABs. So let's see the rest of the drills. I doubt that they will add any more ABs. Usually Make Market adds white ABs. If there are no white ABs, most likely there are no other ABs in it. Well, I like this green, pretty juicy and summer-like. A lot of gray shades, dark gray, dull brown shades, even green shades, grays. Maybe I can replace this yellow one with ABs or crystals, but it depends. I can see the ABs on this very design, but not crystals. I'm not really sure where I would use crystals. Maybe only over here. It's like the lights at the background, but I'm not 100% sure. ABs would look good on the gnomes, but crystals, I'm not that sure. And I definitely wouldn't be touching the heads, except of maybe white ABs over here, but the reds, no, I'm not gonna change it for sure, because the texture of the wool is transferred way too good. I wouldn't want to make it look less natural than that. Yeah, a lot of gray colors. So there are a few bright colors, but the majority are kind of dull gray and brown and even I would say dull greenish. The next kit is Poinsettia. I'm sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong. Let's call it Christmas star flower, right? And we can see here that this is a square gem diamond painting kit. So let's open and see how it looks inside. Again, one of the reasons why I purchased it, not because I was in love with the design. I'm kind of indifferent to how it looks, but I again liked the rendering. It looks very realistic, as if this is a photo, not a diamond painting. Besides, you know, this is the Christmas symbol, right? Christmas star flower, and technically you can give it away as a gift to anyone, regardless of gender, regardless of age. Any Christian that celebrates Christmas, you know, would love this kind of diamond painting. And we will start with the canvas. Surprisingly for me, it is landscape orientation. To tell the truth, I thought it was a portrait. I thought it was like that, but since the legend are located vertically, right? So most likely, or horizontally. I always confuse this vertical and horizontally, right? So if it is located over here, not over there, so it means it should be horizontal then. Okay, so this is a rendering. Specifications are the same. I'm not going to stop on it. The only thing that I don't like is the dark background. Oh my god, I even put it upside down. Just give me 1 second. That's why it didn't really make any sense. Yeah, it would be challenging to diamond paint the background because it is dark and the symbols are dark in it as well. So, okay. But there's not that much that I would have to diamond paint in dark colors. So all the rest looks pretty good. Symbol printing is not bad. Let's see. Well, yeah, it's not bad, but it's not perfect either. On the previous kit, the symbol printing was better than that. This one is a little bit blurry, actually, as far as I see, both on the dark background and on the red background. Yeah, so that's how it looks. And this is a square kit. And it comes, with 27 colors only. That's good. So it would be pretty fast to diamond paint then, most likely, because of the small quantity of colors. Okay, so let's look at the drills then. And this kit comes with a variety of red shades. I'm not sure if I'm going to customize anything in here, because to tell you the truth, in flowers, especially in the flower like this, there is not much to enhance with. Maybe AB drills over here in yellow in the middle of the petals, whatever that, in the middle of the flower. Maybe again, if I find such a shade. If it is something like that, I don't have anything like that in ABs, so maybe I will leave the original colors. Besides, I do not have that many AB and crystal drills in square shape, so not sure if I'm going to do anything here. So a lot of green colors, a lot of green shades, red shades. Of course, look at that. So I guess mostly green, red, and maybe dark brown and black. Here's black color, again green and reds. I mean, gorgeous red and green colors. So maybe I will replace these ones, but actually no, it's not even yellow, it's beige. I don't think I have beige ABs in square shaped drills. We'll see. Maybe Fairy Dust from Italia Diamante Creations from Catherine. Yeah, they're not even yellows. You see, they're like salad green, lettuce color, kinda. So I definitely do not have the shade in AB. So this is the second kit and the last. And the last kit that we are going to open is Present and Cacao. To tell the truth, out of 3, I like this one the best. I love this design. And it is also kind of universal for both genders, for people of different age. I think it would be perfect, right? Maybe not for kids though, but for adults it also could be a pretty universal gift. All the attributes of Christmas, so to say, right? Okay, and that's how design looks on the canvas. It is not entirely color related, as you can see. This kit comes with 44 colors, round drills, and actually this kit can be easily customized with white ABs and maybe over here metallic drills on the Christmas ornaments. I think that would look pretty nice on them. Because if you look at the original work, right, they do look like the golden color, right? So if I find this same metallic shade from Diamond Dots, maybe I will replace it. Not sure. However, the color blending is terrific here. The symbol printing is way better here than on the previous kit. Very clear, unlike the previous one. That one was way too blurry in my opinion. Just like Alice, also the same thing. When I talk about Alice, I mean this very kit. This is also from Make Market, the Halloween series. I love, don't take me wrong, I love how it turned out. Super detailed. The colors selection is incredible, but it was one of the most challenging diamond paintings that I worked on so far. I would say the most complicated technique-wise, because the color printing was bad. Out of all Make Market kits, it was blurry, and as you can see, this is a darker picture, so there was a very dark background. The symbol printing was also dark, and sometimes it was even very hard not just to see the symbol itself, but to differentiate between two very similar symbols like Y and V. But this one looks pretty nice to me. Yeah. Okay, now 44 colors, right? 44. So let's see the drills and see if it comes with any ABs. So far, 2 kits, not a single AB, right? So let's see this one. Okay. Of course, this one will contain a lot of beige colors. Oh, a lot of greens. I wonder why there are that many greens. Black, also like, I would say, coffee and milk. Gray, brown, grayish blue, or blue grayish pinks. This one is like very light green color, almost white, or better say white with a green shade. A lot of browns, again gray, black, reds, brown, light brown or beige, greens. Yeah, looks like it doesn't have any ABs, unfortunately, at least for a white color. However, I don't even see white color yet. And except of maybe white ABs and metallic on the Christmas ornaments, to tell the truth, I don't know what else can be modified in this very kit. Yeah, there is, okay, here there are two whites. Are they the same? No, like, so this one is like cold white, this one is warm white, like warm shade, this one is colder shade, but not a single is AB. Okay, so most likely I will replace this one with white ABs, and hopefully it will look festive. So this is it. Last 3 kits out of 16 that I purchased have been just unboxed. So you saw how they looked inside, and I am working on this very kit, home ornament, and it turns out to be gorgeous. I'm going to show it to you, my work in process, tonight, because I am preparing a surprise video for you. I'm going to show you my framed stacked pumpkins kit from Diamond Art Club. And along with that, I will show you my work in progress for home ornaments. Of course, I replaced a lot of colors, and I love how it is turning out. Make Market is fantastic when it comes to detailization. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I will remind you that Make Market is an American brand, and it is affiliated with Michaels stores. They're available in Canada and the USA only in Michaels stores. At this point, they are on sale for $10.50. Their original price is $15. So I would definitely recommend you to purchase their kits because they do not transfer them to next year. Once it's gone, it's gone. You will never be able to purchase the same design again unless somebody is selling it on eBay or somewhere else. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.